Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a versus video for you guys. The Fenty Pro Filter Liquid Foundation versus the Fenty Powder Foundation. I'm excited to do this because I genuinely love the liquid foundation, and I recently just reviewed, there should be a review up already, of the powder foundation, and I really like both of them, to be honest. And so I'm kind of excited to dive in, just to be able to show you guys what the difference is there a difference between each foundation, and of course which one would you go for. So let's get started. All right, I have the 420, I have the 430, and I have here the 440. Anyway, so this one is the 420, 430, and then 440. 440 seems to be just dark overall, but that's literally what I've had for the past couple of months now. I believe it's probably like my summer shade, so I can't return it anyway, so I'm kind of stuck with it. And then this is the 430, which is, I will feel like the 430 matches me currently, but I've ran out. Obviously I've had this for a good 2 years now. And then this is the 420. 420 looks like it matches me, but I'm gonna show you guys maybe a video of me putting on the 420 and then you guys seeing yeah, no. I'm gonna use this side actually for the Fenty powder, and I'm gonna use this side for the liquid. For the powder, for any powder foundation or anything really that's powder, you want to go ahead and use the liquids first. Mix the 420 and the 420 Pro Filter, the liquid, and the 440, and I want to see what that gives me. Okay, so this is just trial and error. I only used one pump. I just want to be able to see what that looks like on me. Before it dries, I'm going to use a little bit of the 440 because it looks like it's going to be bright. This doesn't look bad now, does it? So I did mix 2 part 440, 1 part of 420. Just set everywhere that I just finished concealing. Next things next now is to go ahead and use this right here. All right, I use the sponge, and again, watch the review of here for like a thorough review about this powder. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. powder brush. Powder. Impressed. powder and liquid. This is me showing you guys what that looks like before I actually like get done with the rest of my face. Okay, so this again is the powder. I could at least lay these edges down. Anyways, and this is the foundation, liquid foundation. Y'all see it? So liquid, powder. Oh my goodness, they look so good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face. I'm not gonna do much, but I say that and then I just end up doing much, so don't even pay me no mind, just watch me. Yes, I think I'm pretty much done now. How do I look? What do you guys think? I feel like from the way that it looks on here to the way it looks right here, it just all seems to work cohesively, and I think that's gorgeous. This is, like I said, the liquid part of my face, and I think with the mixture of the 440 and the 420, I was able to accomplish this. This one is just the foundation, the 420 powder foundation on its own. Can you tell? I'm loving the way that I'm looking. Hello, okay? They're both very skin-like. Okay, when I say that, I don't mean that in like you have nothing on your face. You clearly have foundation on your face. It's not heavy, of course, you know, but so because this is a powder side, it's not giving me as full of a coverage as this side is giving me. To me, this is not, it's close though to full coverage. It's very close, but I would still say that this is more medium to me. Nothing is really going to like you know, cover up all the pores that I have and my acne scars. I'm not expecting a miracle, but I'm expecting some level of coverage, and I think they're both giving me that, to be honest. So I kind of like, I love it. I'm not complaining about either of them. I'm actually very excited to do this video because I'm like, because I want to know too, you know. I'm gonna go do a wear test. I'm actually gonna wear this for several hours, so I will be back in maybe like 8 hours. Like, I'm gonna wear this for a long time, and I'll be right back to show you guys the difference between each foundation. Alright, you guys, so it has been 8 hours since I've had both foundations on. I did not touch anything up. I did have to this was so oily. I was literally like embarrassed, and I was out, so I had to do something about it. And I had to blow my nose, so I don't think there's much foundation here anymore, okay, around my nose area, but everything else seems to be oily, okay, just oily at this point, which I feel like it's to be expected. It's been 8 hours. I didn't blot it. I didn't reapply no powder. I didn't do anything. I just left it alone because I wanted to show you guys what the true nature of my face would look like, to be honest, once everything is once time has passed. So this is what I'm looking like. I'm definitely oily. The powder side is definitely a lot more oilier than the liquid side, for sure. You guys can see this. So not that this isn't oily, but when I'm talking about like which one is more oilier, this is definitely, oh, which one is oilier, is that a word? This one is more oily, English language, okay, than the other. I definitely think that the powder is more oily than the liquid side, okay. I've clearly lost this is not their fault. I slept, I did a lot with this makeup on, so there's barely any coverage right here anymore. But this side looks great because I didn't sleep on this side. I will sleep on this side, okay? So that's why, however, I would say that this part is definitely more oily. I'm gonna try to blot it now to show you guys what that looks like. Literally oily everywhere. This crazy. You see all of that? Yeah, I have oily, acne prone skin. I would go with the liquid, only because I need a foundation. Usually when I wear it for a long time. I wear it for hours at a time, and I need a foundation that will last me that many hours. And I really think that the liquid is it for me, to be honest. If I have to choose, I would definitely go with the liquid foundation. The powder is good because, you know, for those who are not interested in liquid and all of that stuff, y'all could really just dab a powder, especially if you don't have all of this going on. If your skin is more smoother than mine, I would definitely just go with the powder one. I don't think it's not gonna hurt you. But for people like me who struggle with acne, who is like oily, super oily, I would rather, definitely 100% rather go with the liquid foundation. Overall, there's not much complaint on this side of town, okay? It looks good. I'm happy that I was able to review for you guys, and I'm going to go because I have to record another video and then I have to go to sleep, okay? So with that being said, I hope that you guys really did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what your thoughts are on both foundation. But yes, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be kind to yourself as well as others around you. Bye.